correct operation of the braking system is not only crucial for traffic safety, it also affects the physical comfort of the driver. It assures an instant response from the car to the pressure applied on the brake pedal. Speed reduction is possible thanks to the friction that occurs when the brake pads clamp down on the brake discs, and also from the conversion of kinetic energy into thermal energy. The secret to the quality of brake pads is the structure of the friction layer and its correct fixing to the metal plate. The quality of the friction layer will determine whether the brake pads wear out quickly or effectively against the disc, and what is the ratio of friction between the brake disc and the brake pad. Master Sport's brake pads are the result of continuous laboratory testing to improve the product quality. By working on optimizing the friction ratio, the low emission of dust from the friction layer and wear resistance, a special innovative blend was developed. The addition of bronze and ceramic components and the use of composite materials is what makes the difference. The consistency of the friction layer is also important because it prevents mechanical damage and uneven wear. The innovation of Master Sport brake pads also comes from an additional overlay between the brake pad and the brake piston. This overlay is made from material that absorbs vibration and noise, which prevents the pads from vibrating and limits the overlapping of braking elements in the braking system that shows as a squeak under braking. The heat generated during braking is absorbed mainly by the brake disc. The ability to absorb heat and cool quickly is of great importance for driving safety. The discs must not sustain mechanical damage when the brake pad is pressed or become deformed because of a sudden change in temperature, which may occur if the heated disc comes into contact with water on the road. At Master Sport, special research and development laboratories work on the selection of suitable cast iron for the production of the brake discs. Because heat absorption depends on the heat capacity of the discs produced are of adequate thickness. In addition to rapidly reducing their temperature, they have internal ribbing which controls the flow of air. During long-term braking in the mountains, a lack of cooling to the disc causes fading. The release of gases and dust from the abrasive material will then prevent the friction of the lining and the proper deceleration of the vehicle. This effect eliminates Sport Extreme shields. Lowering the radius of the disc allows ventilation openings on it and additional special grooves to remove the emitted gases and dust. The result is a pair of brake discs and pads that always work at optimum temperature and always ensure proper performance.